Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change Outlook password and recovery email. So guys, once you are on your Outlook, just simply go to the top right corner of the screen where you see your profile icon, and then just simply go to My Microsoft account. So click on that. So guys, from here, just simply go to Security, and from here, click on Manage How I Sign In. From here, guys, just simply click on Enter Password. And from here, you will see Change Password button. Click on that. And from here, just simply provide your current and your new password. And from there, you'll be able to save it. And if you want to add or change a recovery email, you can just simply click on Add a new way to sign in or verify over here. Click on this one, email a code. So guys, from here, just simply add the alternative email address and click on next. And after that, a code will be sent to you. So just simply go to your email. So guys, the email will look something like this. So just simply copy the code. And after that, just simply paste it over here and click on next. And after that, guys, just simply click on your old email. And after that, just simply click on remove. And from there, just simply click on remove. And after that, just click on OK and you'll be able to replace your email. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.